Okay, it's 2:19 in the morning and I can't sleep. And I have work tomorrow or later. Oh God, life is so complicated. Everyone is asleep and I'm talking to myself. Let's see. I usually would just write this stuff, but no, I don't want to share. You might see it. Nothing usual happened. And the weekend it was okay. Sunday we went to see a basketball game, and because my brothers are involved, so and they won, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Because I was working on Saturday. My only day off is today, Monday, yesterday, yeah, and yeah, you really can't see it because I could be either homesick, lovesick, or just sick. Uh, throat is sore. So yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Bye.